What's up, guys? Welcome to an episode of Board Progression. Today we're at Canyonside Park City. We're doing a meetup with some homies, which has been awesome. Thanks to everybody who came out. And while we were here, we decided we're going to do a top to bottom for you. It's not going to be the top of a chairlift down to the bottom of a chairlift. Instead, we're going to show you guys Canis Lupus, aka the natural half pipe. I'm going to follow Austin in to switch things up a little bit. So Austin's going to be mic'd up. He usually has some good banter, so
now I gotta try and think about banter.
Nah, just whatever comes to your mind.
Okay.
Feel like we'll take it from here. You ready?
All right, let's go.
Sick.
All right, let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. Whoa, chunky in the shade. Ew! Stand on me, stand on me. Let's go. Alright, hold on. So much flowing here. Icy on the right side, loose on the left. Very fun. Jump for those bumps. I got snake hard here last time. Took it right to the shoulder. Woo! Oh, we got traffic in the tunnel. Not too much. More traffic. Oh gosh! I call that the sneaky sneak.
Cameraman passed you. Dark side's faster.
Oh, what a leg burner! Whoa, we're gonna go for some spins!
Yeah!
Oh, coming up on more riders. Slow down. This is where I ate shit last time. Oops. Sorry, Dan, you're gonna have to bleep me.
Well, you have to put on the brakes, that's okay.
Oh, little mellow, high on the walls. Oh. What am I in spin class? Woo! Oh, good rollers. Oh. Watch out for the bushies.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
Love it.
Oh. Oh God! There's a tree there!
Unfiltered, uncut, guys, that's what you get. Yeah. Woo! Did somebody forget to pop?
Yeah!
Did somebody forget to pop?
It wasn't there! Legs are burning.
It is a leg burner, guys. It is definitely a leg burner going through Canis Lupus.
Yeah.
Leg burner, back burner too. My back is like, woo.
Oh my
I
gosh!
had to do like major speed checking with that girl in front.
Yeah. That kind of slowed down the flow a little bit too, huh? But dude,
Oh, that was fun.
that was awesome.
90% of that was.
Call that, what was that? I let him blow right past me.
Yeah.
With the brakes on.
Oh yeah.
Who's filming who now, Dan?
That was definitely a Maverick Top Gun. Like, hit the brakes, will flow right by. I hope you guys enjoyed this though. This was super fun.
I thought for sure I was gonna get over that thing, and I was like, I got nothing in the tank.
If you guys like these top to bottoms of specific runs and not just from like the top of a chairlift down to the bottom or top of a mountain down to the bottom, drop a comment below. We thought we'd try something a little different. And yeah, shout out to Austin for being the talent on camera. Yeah. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Keep progressing in anything and everything that you're doing. Love you. See ya.